I purchased this latch to keep my dogs out of the laundry room and the half bath where my kittens have their food bowls and litter boxes. But it's super easy. It snaps right on. It's just almost like a command strip. You click that in, it's gonna hold that door pretty tight. And it was easy to apply. Now I did do it the stronger way on this side where it almost looks like it's folding over on itself, because it's recommended that would be a stronger installation. So it's easy. You just click that on. Again, it's like a command strip. Then I can slide this clip right into that little holder and my cats can get in and out and my dogs can't.
So here it is. There's a 3M sticky part back here. It's on pretty good. And another 3M adhesive back here also. And yeah, it's pretty good. I can't really take it off now because it's tight on there. But this latch comes off if you loosen it from right here. And then, look, can't really open it. I'm putting a lot of force on it too. It's pretty good.
This worked great for keeping my cats separate when feeding. Worked awesome.